Oh snap, this video is sponsored by Squarespace? Yes, good, that's awesome. Howdy, I'm 1000. In 3 days, I'm going to New York City to go to New York City Comic-Con. I'm a special guest at the Martian Toys booth. Me and that company are gonna be working together in the future, and they said,
hey, 1000, why don't you come out to New York City and kick it with us at New York City Comic-Con?
I said,
okay.
They said,
also, you want to paint this crazy toy for this art show we're doing?
I said,
okay.
So they sent me a little box. In the box, ooh, baby, would you look at that? Mad spray can mutant. But I have 3 days. I was supposed to have sent this in a long time ago. So, without further ado, let's paint a sick-ass toy. Okay, got the toy. Now, what I'm thinking here is, there's a lot of art already on here, and it's cool art, but unfortunately, this is gonna be a 1000 custom toy, not a this. So, I think I'm gonna like just spray paint it white or something, just to get rid of all these other colors here. The only problem I'm seeing, inside the mouth, that tongue is red, and dude, that's gonna be so hard to paint past these teeth inside the mouth. So I think I'm gonna tape off this mouth here and just leave the tongue red, leave it how it freaking came from the toy factory, because that's gonna be hard to paint. So get trusty blue tape. I usually use green tape. I feel so like sacrilegious using blue tape right now. And since the whole area around the mouth is already white, I don't even have to be careful about what I do with the tape here. This is so nice. Not being careful rules. Okay, Mr. Blue Grill looking good. Ding! And I think that's literally all the taping I'm gonna do. Now let's go throw a layer of spray paint on this guy. Very exciting. I think it's time to go outside. Spray painting commence.
Throw your hands in the sky if you like to customize. Gonna paint it cocaine white. Ladies love a spray paint guy.
I'm totally an idiot, and I freaking was like moving my camera around and knocked over my little pedestal and dropped this guy on the ground. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's like a little ugly chunk right there. Freaking, I wasn't patient, and I put giant nasty fingerprints on there, dropped him on the ground, looking pretty gnarly. One day I will do things professionally and be patient and not suck, but today is not that day. So we're gonna let this guy dry a little bit more. Look at all that white paint just coming off of him, and sand him up a little bit. Okay, this guy is sanded kind of okay, so let's take some photos. Bring this bad boy into Procreate so that I can kind of sketch out what I want to do on this fella. You know what? I'm sitting here doing this concept sketch, and I don't got time for this. I think I just need to go for it. I think I'm just gonna freestyle this toy. Let's get painting. Right now I'm at the studio. I need to prep my Stay Wet palette. Usually at home I use boiling water, but I don't really have anything at the studio to do that, so I'm using my coffee pot. I'm like MacGyver up in here. Yeah, baby. Yeah, so I'm just gonna sketch right on this guy. All right, I got kind of a rough sketch going here. I think I want to do a simple color scheme. So let's see what's up with orange and gray all day. It's how we play, it's how we slay. Painting toys, man, it's like the decades of practice that I put into making clean lines and painting well just goes out the window, and it just instantly gets set to hard mode because it's a curved surface. Definitely felt the clock ticking down on me on this one. I literally did all the painting on this toy the day before I had to jump on the plane to New York City. I was like, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, am I gonna have it done in time? Ah, what am I gonna do? Will 1000 finish the toy in time? Will he somehow catastrophically mess up the art he's made? Stay tuned to find out that and more on this episode of Why Did You Wait So Long to Start This Toy? Damn it, I chipped it. Now, I want to hit him with some spray on varnish. My big concern is I fly out to New York City tomorrow morning, and usually you want to give it lots of dry time. So I hope he's not like super sticky when I travel with him. Is there enough time? Is there enough time? But I gotta varnish him, so I'm gonna try and spray this on this guy. All right, this little guy is all varnished up and just in the nick of time too, because it is almost time for me to fly out to New York City. This guy's gonna be chilling overnight drying. He's gonna be the very last thing that I pack up because he's still a little tacky, still a little sticky, and I don't want him to get damaged in transit. But before this guy gets packed up, I gotta let you know that this video is brought to you by Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one dynamic platform to help you build a beautiful website. I personally have been using Squarespace for years and years. They have these amazing award-winning templates where all you gotta do is take your awesome content, drop it into their beautiful templates, and boom, you got a website. Honestly, if I can build a website, you can build a website. Seriously, it's super freaking easy. But if you ever do run into issues, they have 24/7 customer support. They've certainly helped me out of a few issues in the past. They can help you too. So what are you waiting for? Whether you're an artist or a designer or a freaking custom toy painter, you should have a beautiful website. Go to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And when you're ready to launch your site, go to squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off the first purchase of a website or domain. Ooh, thank you Squarespace for sponsoring this video. All right, it's time for me to get packed. New York City, here I come. All right, it's early in the morning. I am at the South Bend International Airport, and I'm about to start heading towards New York City. So let's get this show on the road. I flew from little old South Bend to the closest big city of Chicago. Would you look at that big elephant skeleton? That's how you get around the airport. Damn, can I get a ride? Can I just go right here real quick? Sorry. Thank you. Of course, one of my flights was delayed like 3 hours, but finally I flew from Chicago to New York. All right, I made it to New York City. Now I just need to figure out how I'm gonna make it to SLU. Oh, that was easy. What's up, bro? Yeah, we made it.
You made it, man.
Hotel room ain't bad. Hex yeah, boy. How about that view? Oh, we gotta kill the lights. There we go. Talking about New York. Please don't give me a copyright claim, Jay-Z. Damn, don't let Chelsea see this. Damn, hello, good morning, New York City. Good morning. I have made it to New York Comic-Con. Now I'm just waiting to be let in. We have officially made it. This is Aaron with Martian Toys. I'm gonna be chilling at the Martian Toys booth. Yeah, baby, let's go. New York Comic-Con.
Your proto's up there.
Whoa, so cool. Sick. Wait, pause that right there. You see that thing? That's a custom prototype for a toy that I designed with Martian Toys. That's gonna be coming out sometime in 2022. This is the sneak peek right here. I'm super excited about this toy. More info on that will be coming down the pipeline in the future. Sickness. Here's the Martian Toys booth. So much cool stuff in here. It is the quiet before the storm here at New York Comic Con. We are waiting for all the fans to start rolling in. Seems like such wide open spaces right now, but this is all gonna be jam-packed. Oh yeah, baby.
Hello. Hi, how's it going?
Martian Toys was doing this art show of these custom painted Mad Cans, which mine was a part of. There's so many good ones at this booth. All right, so I'm getting a little bit bored at the old Martian Toys booth, so they've given me a blank wall and a Sharpie. These are called blockbusters. They're like magnetic mini murals.
YouTube, how you doing? I can't believe this is happening.
I'm feeling so golden with the Golden Girls.
Oh my goodness! Thank you for being a friend. Thank you, darling.
Well, I was kind of planning on making the piece available at the end of this video, but sorry guys. What's your name?
Sharon from Black Jaded Wolf.
Thank you for buying my piece.
Thank you.
Hex yeah! The new owner. Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy John 143. Don't forget the underscore.
Pause that right there. See this guy right here? That's John 143. Don't forget the underscore. A completely random fan that happened to run into me at New York City Comic Con. This dude right here, John, became my instant hype man. He was awesome. And the fact that I ran into him at Comic Con turned into way bigger, more epic art adventures in New York City. The video on that will be coming soon. So random, so dope. John, you're the man.
I'm in the building, Comic-Con 2021 with my man 1000. You heard?
Are we gonna
If you're
paint your
not
shop,
here,
bro? Are we gonna
listen,
paint your shop?
This weekend, don't miss it. We in the Bronx, New York City. We painting the wall. We going live. YouTube, check it out. We in the building.
Tell me what the hotness.
First of all, this is Summer Jam's DJ for the last 10 years.
Hey.
This is one of the only people I know who have worked with Michael Jackson.
Tell him.
Hold on a second. Besides that, somebody very humble in the industry who's worked with more than a dozen rappers, a dozen R&B stars, jewelers,
This guy.
everything. You hear me? That's a fact.
He's the publicist.
That's stone cold
He's
fact.
everybody's hype
And I
man.
can't believe it that we all right here at Comic-Con 2021.
Hi, New York City, you know what it is. Live at the Javits Center, 1000 in the building. Anyway, the place to be, NiceOnEquipment.com. It's going down the West Side Highway. We pushing 3,000, okay? 2021, Nice On Equipment, John 143. Don't forget that _ 1000. Salute.
Damn, that's that New York shit. Why'd that sound like the hottest mixtape drop of all time, bro? Let's go.
How sick is that? That was one.
Me and Slew on the way to Comic-Con.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Running. My exposure was f***ed on that. That's just a pure white shot.
1000 got me a free ticket.
He's a happy man, first time at Comic-Con. He is transforming right before our very eyes. Bro!
That looks so good.
Hell yeah.
The first time you're seeing it?
Yeah. Damn, I like how this pin manufacturer, the ones that I use, they have to have a black line around everything.
Yeah,
This actually
no.
has like a shadow under the nose and like,
No, that's real nice.
that's nice.
You guys are awesome. Appreciate your artwork. Appreciate what you guys do in the community. Awesome stuff. Awesome
much
stuff.
love,
Appreciate it, man.
Hell yeah. And away.
Let's do this.
We go.
And it's sad we're wearing masks because I'm smiling ear to ear. Like my jaw is sore from just smiling.
Here comes the king.
People
Watch
are
out.
dressed to the teeth, dude. I love it.
This is the most important part of NYCC, New York Comic Coffee.
I'm in nerd heaven. Ooh, let's go over. Wow, it's so big, dude. This is like whiteout, the white parts. Yeah, that's awesome. I love that.
Should we get some chibi portraits of ourselves?
Hell yeah, that's a great idea. So it's 60 for color, 30 for black and white.
I want to color one of him.
Yeah, and I want to color 2 colors.
Yeah. You guys in the end will be able to decide which one you think is better. No pressure, Nicole. Oh, yours is gonna be sick because you're gonna be all like King Arthur'd out, bro.
Hell yeah.
Dude, it's a saber party and everyone's invited.
They're probably pretty expensive, bro. I might have to get one, dude. I knight thee, Peter of the Andals, first of his name. Damn, bro, I'm getting one.
Yeah. What do they run?
175.
You're like the sword guy though, man.
know, I'm gonna
That'll be
go
one of the
with-
coolest swords you have.
Dude, this is also foam and like really nice to use.
You can just beat on people with it?
Yeah,
We should get a
dude.
couple of those. And
We
just
should get
fight.
a couple of these.
Didn't you say you want to do a fight scene?
Yeah, I do.
King Arthur has his samurai sword. Finally, the costume is complete.
I have to get a genie lamp, Peter. I have to get one.
Did that guy just say, I will get my Vangie? What the fuck is a Vangie? You're a walking arsenal, bro. Pika! Pika! Pika!
Oh shit, we gotta pick up our Chiblis.
Oh yeah. Is this where she was?
This way, right here.
The moment of truth. Something tells me yours is gonna be better.
What?
Because you have like a whole theme.
Yeah, but you got glasses, you got a hat.
I'm just the blue shirt guy. Are these them? Oh my god! Wait, my exposure's too high!
They're so awesome.
Bro, yours is so good.
Oh man.
You're such a little prince. And I'm blue shirt guy.
You're a cutie, look at you, you're so
Aw,
cute.
kawaii.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, Nicole. They're so awesome. Do you guys like Slew's chibi portrait better or my chibi portrait better? Let us know down in the comments. I'm going with mine, bro. I like mine.
All right, perfect, I like mine.
Okay, good.
Bow to me, my loyal soldier.
Jedi King Arthur. Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Welcome to Comic-Con 2021.
You can use this in your videos all the time. It looks really good with the red glow on your face. You can use that for your photo shoots, for the paintings and shit. That's a business expense if I've ever seen one.
Oh, for sure, buddy. What kind of video are you gonna make? Is it just gonna be like...
Well, I filmed myself making the toy. I honestly have no idea.
I
The
have
beginning
no-
of mine is like making the toy.
Right, that's
and then
a good
it'll turn into
narrative.
like a Comic-Con vlog. All right, I think me and Slew are heading off to do other art adventures, so this may be the end of New York City Comic-Con for me. It's been super real, sold a bunch of stuff. It's been rad. New York's the best. This convention's the best. I'm glad my toy sold. I'm glad these super awesome limited edition pins are out. Selling some prints, feeling good. Heck yeah. I guess that's my video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys, these Comic-Con exclusive pins are on my website right now. They're super ultra very limited edition. I made these specifically for New York Comic-Con. The folks over at Martian Toys sent me a bunch of them, and they're on my website on the merch page right now. If you want one, get your hands on one. Look at that pin. That's juicy. That's nice. If you're watching this video right when it comes out, I'm having a Halloween sale on my website that goes through the end of October. Check it out. I don't have sales very often. Thank you to Martian Toys for having me to New York Comic-Con. Thank you to Slew for being a friend and for freaking showing me a great time in New York City. And huge thank you to my patrons. Tip of the hat to you, patrons. I'm 1000. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you on the next